Hello and welcome back to my channel. You go to channel for all things related to healthy lifestyle. Today I'm talking about the importance of maintaining the muscle size and strength as we get age, especially over age of 30 for female and 35 for men. We also dive into why we start to losing our muscles and how we can reverse or stop it by doing resistant exercise. Then without any more delay, let's get started. Then let's first understand what is actually our skeletal muscles is made of and what is the structure they have. As you can see in this graph, our muscles are composed of two distinct types of muscle fiber. Those one which they are darker color, they call it a slow twitch or type 1 fiber, and the one which they are lighter color, which they call it fast twitch fiber or type 2. They are lighter color because they have less blood supply. A slow twitch fiber, which type 1, are the fatigue resistant and excel in sustained and smaller movement. In contrast, fast twitch type of fiber generally powerful and generate a lot of forces, but they are fatigued quickly. As we age, as I indicated, over age of 30 for female and 35, both size and number of our muscle fiber start declining, especially are type 2 or fast twitch fiber. The age related of the progressive of muscle mass and strength called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is linked to various age-related changes, as you can see in this chart, including metabolic dysfunction, altered body composition, increased risk of the fall, and as well as increase the death as we get older. Then let's talk about how we can stop or reduce that muscle loss as we get older. The answer is through incorporating resistant workout or strength training or weight training. As you can see myself in this video, that type of exercise which you work against resistance, which I'm using weight, but you can use basically equipment or in some case body weight, just like if you do pull-up or push-up, or you can use a resistant band, elastic band, which all of them is promoting your muscle growth. The first benefit of doing resistant exercise or weight training is, of course, is the most important one, which maintain the size and number of the fast twitch fiber as we get older. And depends to level of the exercise we do, even we can actually increase our muscle mass and those type of fiber. The second benefit of doing weight training is improve our bone structure and make it stronger. Since our bone responds to mechanical forces, as we start to have a stronger muscle, we be more active, our bone automatically become stronger. Having larger muscle or maintaining our muscle sizes increase our metabolic rate, especially resting metabolic rate. That means after doing exercise, our body, and which is basically muscles, absorb more energy because they want to repair themselves. Therefore, we using much more energy. That means we reduce our chance of getting overweight. Another benefit of weight training is especially if designed properly, you can enhance the muscle around our joint, which is crucial for providing stability and support. And when you have good stability and support, the risk of getting injury, joint pains, and stiffness reduce significantly. And by combining resistant exercises and flexibility, we can keep our range of the motion and activity as we get old for many years. Also, a lot of studies show resistant exercises enhance hormonal balance, especially hormones such as testosterone as well as growth hormone. Those two hormones, they have significant impact in maintaining and growth of our muscles, as well as improve our metabolic rate, as well as our vitality. Therefore, enhancing hormone balance has significant overall health benefit for us in general. Last benefit of doing weight training is on our brain function and our memory. I actually attach here a video of the Dr. Wendy Suzuki, which is the lecturer of University of New York. For your interest, which she went through effect of the exercise on different parts of the brain and as well as memory. If you're interested, you can I'll put the link down below and you can have a watch. Then in conclusion, we understood losing the muscle sizes and strength is part of process of aging. However, by doing resistant exercise, we can actually slow that process, in some cases stop that process significantly. But the benefit of the resistant exercise is not only to the muscles, as we discussed, it can enhance our bone strength, enhance our metabolic rate, is improve our hormonal balance, as well as our brain function and our memory, and many other things which we discussed. However, just like any type of exercise, when you want to start a new type of exercise, it's important always consult with healthcare professional, especially if you have any medical concern or medical condition. And also remember, it's never too late to start any type of exercise. Whenever you start, you will get the benefit. If you start, of course, earlier, you will get more benefit. I want to thank you all for joining me today to exploring how we can maintain our healthy lifestyle as we aging. If you find this video useful or valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. And if you haven't, share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so to receive more that type of educational material about maintaining healthy lifestyle and healthy aging. Until next week, stay dedicated to your well-being, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and see you later.